Don't buy this composite before watching this video. Hello everyone, I am Dr. Swarneet and welcome to my channel Dental Adda. So this is Vishal NHT composite. Packaging looks decent and price is very attractive. And honestly, that's exactly why I ordered it. This time I thought let's buy a budget friendly composite and for doing post-endo restorations and to check whether it performs clinically well or not. On the outside, nothing looks wrong. Shade looks okay, and everything looks like a normal composite. But the real story starts when you actually try to use it in the mouth. The moment I started using it in the mouth, I noticed one major problem, that is stickiness. It sticks to the instrument more than it sticks to the tooth. Instead of adapting nicely to the cavity wall, this composite keeps pulling up with the instrument. Handling is the point where this composite disappointed me the most. You try to place it, it deforms. You try to place it, it drags. And you end up fighting with the material instead of you focusing on the restoration. In composites, handling is everything. If this material doesn't listen to your hand, then your restoration will never look good, no matter how skilled you are. So final honest verdict about this composite is, yes, this composite is cheap, definitely, but the handling and the time and frustration is not worth it in the clinical setup. I will suggest you not to buy this composite, pay a little extra for another brand. If you want to know which composite you want to use in the post-endo restorations, let me know in the comment section. Comment your query there and I will reply to you personally. Thank you.